Good morning, chat. Good morning. All right. How's everybody doing this morning? Happy Tuesday. Let me just get all situated over here, chat. My mic's going crazy. Good stuff, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. I hope you guys had a good weekend. Wow. Okay. Just trying to get situated right now. Everything's all over the place. Hi, Marco. We have the same name. Let's go. W name. All right, chat. You know the drill. Morning shout outs. Lucas, Juan, Amber, Dylan, Brother Wonder, X4 Riot, Power, Mercante, Griffo, Kinf. Good morning, Lucas. Liquidity Inducement Trading. Hello, buddy. How are you? Okay, new rule. Whoever says buddy, I'm not reading your message no more. Rons, Jan, Toman, Tendra, Abu, Lawrence, Abdullah, Shane, Grisson, Architect. Let's go, chat. Happy Tuesday, man. Happy Tuesday. Lawrence, that sounds odd. Shoot a DM at the Instagram. Chat. Oh, you know what we gotta do? You know what we gotta do, chat? 1 second. We gotta make our Instagram announcement. Okay, chat. This is what we're gonna do this morning. You have to type in chat something like "Get in here, join up." Something like that. Type that in chat. Get in here, join up. Join stream, whatever it is. I'll take a video for us. And we'll post on the Instagram. All right. Oops. Going live on YouTube with Chart Fanatics. Chat's in here. Everybody's saying good morning. Vibes are up. Get in the stream. Join up. Let's go, chat. Okay, cool. That's done with. Marco hat, please. What are those kind of vibes? What are those vibes? Chat, I messed up this morning and I put my laundry in the wrong spot, and now I'm not sure if my wife loves me anymore. Does she still love me is the real question. Yo, is my mic getting fried now? Or my arm, I should say. It doesn't hold my thing up anymore. Maybe I need a new arm. I don't know. Whatever. Marco, I'm sorry to say this, but please gold. I think gold is cooking up something, so we'll see. She needs a coaster under that drink. Oh yeah, what are you saying? I'm confused. The other one, this is mine. Love you, Marco. Love you too. Guys, how's everybody doing? How was everybody's week last week? When's the last time I was on stream? Was it Tuesday last week? I think it was Tuesday. So it's been a week. How was everybody's week? I hope you guys had a good weekend as well. My week, just to give you guys a little update. Last Monday, I had that really big day, and it's just been up and down slow ever since. So I'm in like this gray period zone phase. I don't know what you want to call it, but I'm just break even, small win, loss. And I'm just like this right now. I'm like a fucking dolphin. You know what I mean? If I can, I don't know. BE week for me last week. Yeah, I had an incredible Monday last week, and then the rest of the week was just stale. So where's wifey's vibes? I don't know where wifey's vibes are. She's not happy right now with us. I made a mistake, and now she wants a divorce. No one can see you, babe. You're hiding right, like, directly behind me. You need to move the chair over here. Okay, stand up for a sec. There. Marco, be careful. Living together is totally different. We're all good, my man. Don't worry. I think so, at least. All right, chat. Let's hop into some charts here. Screen's getting all blurry. There we go. Okay. Few things to talk about. NQ shorts, we love them. We want to see NQ shorts today. Okay? Target for today is right there. So do your thing, plot it on if you want, but this is where I want to see NQ towards today. I want to see shorts towards these lows. We are bearish currently right now. I feel like higher time frame target could be these, actually, sorry, to make everybody's life easier. Yeah, it'd be below this weekly low. So that starts aligning with our targets to the downside. So ideally, I want to see price above a set of highs. Maybe these ones, maybe even up here. Okay? And then we'll look for shorts on the way back down. But again, the targets are going to be these lows down here. Is she scrolling reels? No, I'm scrolling chat. We love NQ shorts. Yeah, NQ shorts is what I'm going to be keeping my eye on today. It feels good to be looking at NQ again, though, chat. It does feel good because NQ has been in an untradeable state for myself lately. Yo, I'm honestly, just because I like NQ, I'm not even going to break down YM because it is like a headache for me right now. Okay, so gold did not provide the short. Now, what does gold do? I really don't like, I hate these situations. I'm going to be not trading gold today. Few different reasons, chat. The daily chart does not look pretty for a long. And if let's just say, I'm going to delete some of these things. Let's just say this candle right now prints that low of the day and flips bullish. I'm more than happy to step or sideline myself from longs today and then wait for a continuation on the way back up, okay, towards whatever target we're looking for. But a big red flag for me, and it's just something I know, is we've taken out Monday's high. Monday's low could be a target now. Okay, another option is I don't take any trades today. Wednesday opens up. We stab out Tuesday's low. And then maybe we go long. Okay? You see what I'm doing here? The cam is going blurry sometimes, but I think we're good. I'm going to dim this light down a bit too. I think this light's a little bit too bright. It looks like Jesus is looking at me. I wonder if Mods, is my cam going blurry, unblurry because it's trying to catch Hannah's face? I think we're okay. I think it looks fine. What's that? Arif? L comment? Yeah, chat. So this is what I'm looking at on gold. That's just an idea. So yeah, that's gonna be the story for today on gold. I'm not gonna be looking for any entries today. I was gonna take shorts above this high to the lows, but that's finished now. That's finished now, chat. So gold is gonna be on the sidelines now. Okay, I explained why. Hopefully that makes sense to some of you. Euro is in a... What's up? Is it? Is it changing? I can't tell. Okay. Euro chat is in a really interesting spot. Bro, reset the tab on screen on the right side. Candles look horrible. Chat, does the candles look bad? Does the chart look weird for you guys? Let me pull up stream on my side and take a look. Very bad. Yes? Okay, this is really... You know what? It's really weird when you ask chat for help and then it's just 50-50. People say it looks awful. People say it looks fine. Bullish candles just be dark? 1 second. It is a little bit hard to see, isn't it? I'm looking at it on my side, unless it's my monitor. Does it look weird on phone chat? Maybe I'm tripping. What time is it? Okay, we got 10 minutes till open, so let's see if we can figure this out real quick. It's almost like the lines are not... Let me see something, chat. You guys can see these lines now. It's like you guys can't see the thin lines. I don't know. It's weird. Whatever. Okay, this is something to figure out after stream. Okay. Yeah, Euro's in a really interesting spot for myself. I feel like where we are right now, chat, where we are right now could print if we are bullish. The thing is, I'm so... Okay, this is like a last resort area. If we don't print a low right now, this thing could come down lower and lower and lower. Okay, but if we do print a low in this area, we could go higher from here. So it's in like a very important spot for me. I really want to... If we print that low right now, chat, this could be the low of the week, and we could rally higher, okay? If we don't print the low of the week, yes, this thing could fold towards lows on the left-hand side, for sure. Can't see the wicks? Yeah, I know what you mean, actually, because I have the stream open on my side, chat, and it looks like there's no wicks on my screen. I think it's because my monitor is 4K. My monitor is 4K and you guys are not. I wonder if I can change my output on my OBS, but I don't know if I can do that right now. Something to maybe figure out in the future, but For now, chat, we're just going to rock with what we have. We're going to rock with what we have, and I'll try and see if I can sort something out for the future. Okay, so that's my eyes on Euro right now. It's in an interesting spot. It could go either way for me right now. I'm not super confident. The yen pairs look like ass. I've been saying this for a while now. I'm really interested in NQ and stuff, so I want to see what happens down here. Now we have taken out these lows. Marco, lock in on chess soon. Euro took previous day low. That's fine. It's honestly, it makes me more bullish than bearish. It's not monitor or trading view problem. It's browser screen zoom in, zoom out problem. Enigma, if you know how to fix that, how do you fix that? It's not monitor or trading view problem. It's browser screen zoom in, zoom out problem. How do I fix that? Are we gonna... Does chat know how to fix this? Control plus. What do I do it to? What do I set it to, chat? Leave it 100%. But when I leave it 100%, you guys can't see, you said. $60? Oh, hell nah. If it's 60, I can't even see 60. I think, honestly, chat, if I zoom in more, you guys will see the candles better. Watch this. I think I'm solving this right now on my own. I am. You guys can see better if I zoom in. Again, the reason being, chat, is you have to understand, I'm on a 4K monitor. So the 4K monitor, you guys are watching in 1080p. See, now it's good? Yeah, there you go. See, now it's better. It's because I've zoomed in, but it looks like absolute shit on my side. You know what we're going to do? We're going to meet in the middle here, chat. I'm going to leave it like this. Okay? So it's going to look half shit for me, half shit for you. You guys can't even see some of these lines, though. This looks fucking awful. Oh, this is so frustrating. You know what, chat? Okay, done. Listen, for today, I'm sorry. My screen's going to look... Oh, my God. I just bumped my seat down. For today only, it's going to look a little bit bad, okay? And I'm sorry. My apologies. Just for today. Okay, we got stock open in 3 minutes. By the way, I just wanted to check out ES as well and see what ES is saying. So we are building a shit ton at the lows down here on ES. Looks like that's going to be a target as well, which would align with NQ selling off as well. So I would need to see a pump higher on NQ in order for me to sell this thing, though, because now we are trading below lows. I thought you were staying away from NQ. I was staying away from NQ when we were trading like this. But you see how now I have more price action in front of me. I can see what's going on to the left-hand side. PA makes more and more sense. So now NQ is in its tradable state again. But as soon as it finds its bottom and goes all the way back up, if it does, it's not going to be tradable anymore. So as of right now, it is. Lawrence, yeah, I've already told you, if you can just DM the IE Discord. Sorry, chat, 1 second. Marco, can we expect a new YouTube video? No YouTube video today, chat. There's a couple changes we're making. Couple new announcements, actually. Some cool stuff. Some fun stuff over on the YouTube. We're changing up. Yeah, so no new YouTube video today for myself. But we do have good things coming. So just confirmed a couple things over the weekend, which is awesome. We got some big news. And we're adding something else. So yeah, I got a lot of exciting stuff coming on the way. Just in the works right now. So just stay tuned, stay patient. New things are coming on the way. What's wifey doing? Wifey's lurking in the back. Baguette FC. Okay, shit. We have stock open is already popped in, so we got the bell here. NQ is popping up right now. I don't like the way... Oh, we traded below PDL as well by taking that low, didn't we? The only thing that sketches me out, chat, about NQ right now is this H4. Like, did we really just come up into this candle and stop? You know what I mean? It looks ugly on H4. It is what it is. When and where will we have those changes? I'm excited. No, I'm just talking about for myself, for the Inter-Equity YouTube channel. It's like for my YouTube channel. I got some, we got some cool stuff on the way. Yes, personal YouTube channel as well. Everything's cooking right now, chat. Everything's cooking. Abid, you need to send... Abid's in here? Oh, he is. Send signal. Oh, here we go. No signals. Okay. Gold has dumped to the low. So, yeah, look. Now we've had this, like, seek and destroy, the flip candle. Look at this. High to low. Gone. Where do you live? I live in Canada, bro. Unfortunately. Unfortunately. Yeah, I want to know. Samuel, it's coming, bro. You'll know soon enough. A lot of things we're working on right now. Yo, listen, boys. I know everybody's saying GU, GU, GU. I'm going to do you a favor, okay? Look on my list on the right-hand side. Do you see GBP USD? I don't trade GBP USD. It's like you guys need my confirmation on it before you take a trade. Bro, take a trade if you like it. What am I, your confluence? Is that what are you guys just using me over here? What am I, an object? Mercante, I don't know what that is. I'm in the Fraser Valley in BC. I've never been to BC, bro. Never been to BC. What's everything else saying? Chat, by the way. Down. Down on BTC. I really don't like how this high was printed though. So we'll see. But for now, down. And Q is flipping bullish right now. Do you use divergences? I do not. I do not use divergences. Buys above this weekly low look gross, chat. But now it's so hard to sell this thing because of what we've done so far. Trading below these lows. Or sorry, trading below PDL. We'll see. ES, what's ES saying? ES is actually selling right now, which is kind of crazy. YM sold off the open as well. NQ is the only thing doing its own thing right now. Oh, Marco got new lighting. Did I not have the light on last week, chat? Maybe I didn't have the light on. Yo, what's wifey looking at? She's fucking looking at you guys on chat. Look. She's looking at chat. So you guys try to fuck around. She's got you. Show PC setup. How am I going to do that? What's up, Benji? Any thoughts on Deep Dom? I don't use it, so I'm not sure. And Q on a moon mission right now. See, look at this 4-hour chat. Like, if you tried selling right now, I just don't know how we could, right? You'd be selling within the previous 4-hour candle. It just looks really gross from a higher time frame perspective. I think this would make the most sense, like all the way back up to the highs, right? I honestly, to be completely honest with you, look at this. Even these highs here. What is going on in chat? I don't know. What did I miss? Marco, tell wifey to give us signal. I don't know. Is she cooking up? Baby, you cooking up? Are you looking at anything? She's not looking at anything right now, chat, so chill. Nachos. Yo, Marco, say nachos. Nacho. I haven't watched that movie in, oh my God. Nacho Libre? Chat, anybody watch Nacho Libre when they were younger? Look at NQ right now, bro. God damn. And we've respected this low the whole time while doing this. This is not ideal. ES is now rejecting the low. Interesting. Euro bouncing off PDL right now, chat. After taking the low. Gold maybe as well. Yeah, gold's doing something right now. I'm not sure. Gold has a mind of its own right now. NQ still continuing. Still continuing. Yo, I appreciate that Nacho shout out, man. Yo, let's go, Pablo. Come on, bro. Who's going for a run today, chat? Where are my runners at? I feel like I've gotten a couple people into running lately. I know who you guys know who you are. I gotta go for a run after stream today, so I'll probably get in. I'll probably do 10K easy today. 10K easy today, and it is spicy outside, so it's gonna be a hot one. Low key, maybe we should have ran in the morning. I forgot it was gonna be hot. Nah, fuck it. Let's get a little tan in, chat. Yeah, today's gonna be 30 degrees. Wow. Wow. Leg day this morning, no running. Yo, chat, I'm going to give you guys a little tip. If you guys like working out and you're running as well, my best advice is keep your hard days hard, meaning do legs and run on the same day. Preferably run first and then legs after. And then the next day, you have a full recovery day for legs. It's like that saying of keep your hard days hard. Yeah, brother Jan Toman's going for a run today. I already know you are. By the way, shout out to Jan Toman, bro. Shout out to brother Jan. He ran a 117, I think, on the weekend, half. A 117 half marathon on the weekend. I mean, listen, the man is on a mission, so we have to pay our respects. I'm always going to shout out people that are working their ass off. When we doing 19K mornings, Marco, well, we got to build to get there, bro. If I'm busting out 19K every morning, I'm probably going to get myself injured right now. That would equate to like 130-ish kilometer weeks, and I can't do that yet. Weight lifted yesterday. Today's martial arts training. Let's go, Quiet Storm. NQ is flipping right now, chat. Don't like this price action, though. Don't like it. Nothing, like I would not be taking anything from the left at least. If we can get some sort of confirmation, I don't know if it's going to occur with this price action we're getting right now. But hey, let's wait and see. ES took out a high. It's flipped bearish as well. I know your quads and calves are massive. Yo, Wonder, the thing is about running, bro, you don't need to have massive calves or just massive leg muscles. You need to have strong muscles, strong tendons. You need to have strong bones. All these minuscule things that running hits. Because I can tell you this, you go to a bodybuilder, somebody who can squat 700 pounds, they probably can't run 50 kilometers in a week. They'll hurt themselves. good joints. Yeah, you need everything around the muscles, tendons, all that stuff. And then that will help you with running more. Do you like climbing? Rock climbing? You know what? I've been rock climbing a couple times. That shit is so fun. But I just moved, so I have to see if I can find maybe a place closer to me. But I actually always wanted to get like a membership. That would be dope. Such a good workout, but not only is it a good workout, man, it's actually so much fun. So much fun, chat. Hi, Marco. Do you talk about taking partial profits in a trade? How do you do it? Is there a tool you use? No, I do not have a tool I use. And to be honest with you, I'm not the biggest partial taker. I typically like to just hold my trades. The thing is with me, Chad, is like, I don't know if a lot of people can duplicate how I trade personally, because there's sometimes I take a lot of break evens and I had a lot of floating, like unrealized profits in my trades. So a lot of people can't deal with that mentally. Even for myself, it sucks sometimes when you go through a phase of a lot of break evens, losses, because sometimes my trade will run 1 to 2, 1 to 3, and I'll be floating a decent amount, but it comes back to my break even. But that's just how I trade. I have larger targets. And I was thinking about this on the weekend, chat, but hear me out. If I think back and look at all my performance, and I just look at like 2 months worth of trading data, 80% of my winning trades are typically around the same amount. And then I have like 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 trades over the course of 2 months, maybe less, 3 trades over the course of 2 months that are big ones. Those are like my paydays. Those paydays, those bigger days that come from like your A+ kind of setups, they don't come all the time. But I'm really starting to notice that like majority of my trades, they're like base hits. Those winners are like base hits. And then every so often, maybe once or twice in a month, I'll have those bigger days, and that's when the actual paydays come along, right? And I feel like that's how trading is. I don't know. For myself, that's how it is right now, where I have a bunch of base hits that kind of bump the P&L up a little bit, and then I have a bigger day, and that's when I have those bigger jumps. But those bigger jumps, they don't come from over risking. They just come from when everything works to a T, right? I have an A+ setup. Maybe I size up a little bit more. I'm a little bit more confident, higher conviction, and everything goes to plan. Those are the bigger P&L days. It's not because I'm over risking and I'm sending it, right? You got to see that there's a difference there. NQ still moving bullish after taking out some highs over here, chat. Let's see. ES still continuing lower. We got these lows left over here. That looks like we're going to be hunting for on ES. I probably put my money on NQ continuing lower. The delivery hasn't been ideal. Let's see what happens, chat, because if we can get a spike above some internal highs, this could deliver a continuation kind of setup for us. So let's see. I need to see a push higher. I need a pullback of some sort. EU trade below PDL, chat. I have that marked on. And I told you guys that there's a possibility we could be printing low of the week here. Okay, so there's some things to look out for sure. I'm interested. It's only Tuesday though, and if a low of the week is printed, maybe we can catch continuations. Higher time frame entries. You could take higher time frame entries here if you want on EU. But again, if this is the low of the week, should see continuation setups on the way back up tomorrow, Thursday, etc. YM longs? I'm not sure, man. I really am not sure. I would say watch out on YM longs right now. I'd say be careful. I would say be careful. German 40 shorts. Yeah, it could happen. It could happen, chat. Excuse me. Yeah, it definitely could happen. Entries wise, it looks like I don't think there hasn't been anything yet. Maybe up here, but nothing super clean yet. Let me clean this chart up so I can. How many trades would you say you average a week? Yeah, I think it's always hard to give a number on a week. It's just not enough time, because some weeks it's 0, some weeks it's 5, right? It all depends on the conditions we have in front of us. Now, do I have a trade limit for myself? No. If I show up and there's a setup, I'm taking it. But I'm not showing up expecting a setup every single day. There's a big difference there, right? So on a monthly basis, I would say anywhere from I don't know, 4 to 12. It's got to be more than 4, because I'm taking sometimes. Yeah, let's just say 6 to 12 trades a month. A couple weeks ago, chat, I think it was the last week of April, I had a trade like every single day. There was like 5 trades in the week. So the thing is, every week is going to be different. Yeah, goodbye. Anyone that wants to spam? See you later. NQ having a pull. Oh, NQ came up and took those highs out. One sec, chat. Hey, Marco, what's the name of that plant in the background? To be honest with you, bro. Oh, this one over here. What has it been? I think it's an olive tree. The wife says an olive tree. It's actually a real tree, believe it or not. You know, my favorite are the guys that come in chat. Listen, chat. My favorite are the guys that come in here and they just pop in and go GBP USD, and they don't say any other words. They just come in here and just shoot a random asset off, or just gold, AUD USD. They just don't say anything else. They just come in here to type in an asset. Those are my favorite. What's up, Bella? Nice lighting. Thank you. I have the model of the lighting in the background back here. Those are my favorite people, chat. They just come in here. Gold. AUD CHF. GBP USD. It's just like, bro. Robot? Yo, what's good, Rob? How you doing, brother? Good to see you as well, Bella. Always good to see you in here. I appreciate you for supporting. Always hopping in, saying what's up. Thank you. Chat, we're getting a rejection right now on NQ after tapping those, running these highs here. So let's see what happens. Okay, just watch. Okay, bro. It's just, I feel like sometimes there's just drones or just bots, man. I don't know. Marco, right now I'm up 175% from January using your strategy, and I have statistics and all trades documented. My bro, listen, if you are telling the complete and utter truth right now, mad respects, because that is insane. That is insane indeed. What's gold saying, chat? Gold's still continuing up after taking out PDL. Euro sort of continuing up after taking PDL. Some good reactions. Can I share it with you somehow? Yeah, Broken, of course. Shoot me a DM on Instagram. I try to look at all my DMs, so I should be able to see it there. Make videos on losing trades. That doesn't sound like a fun video. Would you ever do another backtesting video? Like, what do you mean, Nova? We need more losing trade videos. These are my favorite people. I just don't. Why? I'm curious, chat. Why? Why losing videos? If the trade didn't work out, why do you want to see a video on a trade that didn't work out? Oh, Benji. Okay, you're trolling me. No, Benji, no worries, bro. I thought you were bouncing off the other guy. They want you to be in pain? Yeah, Abid, for real. Guys, sometimes, believe it or not, I'm human just like you guys. Sometimes I like to just journal my loss and move on instead of revisiting. Imagine me telling you guys, I want you to make videos on the times when trading wasn't working out for you and you were upset. Marco, do you have losses? Listen, you must be new here, bro. Because listen, I've taken plenty of losses on stream. I've taken plenty of losses. Gold, look at that reaction off the lows, chat. Wow. Listen, chat, I'm going to give you my best piece of advice for everybody in here right now. Listen up. The results you're seeking, for most people in here, the results you're seeking are not within the charts. They are within yourself. Fix yourself. You'll never be able to find perfection in these charts. There's no such thing. You will level up. You will see more results. You will see more progress once you learn how to fix the mistakes you're making within yourself, not the charts. There are some people trading some insane strategies that are doing well. Ask yourself why. It's because their mental is there. Their head is there. It's not the charts, okay? You guys need to understand that. It's important to have a working strategy, correct. Understand, a working strategy means you'll still take losses and that's completely normal, okay? Once you have a strategy that you've practiced over X amount of time, the next thing you have to work on is yourself. That's my best piece of advice. And a lot of people in here won't understand that, unfortunately, until it's too late sometimes. But there are people I have spoken with, there are people I've been around with that are incredible analysts, like terrible traders. It's two different things. If you can't control your emotions to a certain degree, I mean, we're human, bro, you'll never find results. So stop looking at the charts to fix your mistakes, your problems. The charts won't fix them. You need to fix them. How do you work on that? You need to be able to identify your strengths and weaknesses, okay? Identify your strengths and weaknesses. Turn those weaknesses into strengths as best as possible. So if you're someone that is greedy, you need to work on that. If you're someone that lacks discipline, you need to work on that. You need to be able to identify these things. And the best way to identify them is through journaling. So if you're someone that when you get in a trade, you struggle to hold it to your targets, how do you get better at that? Practice. Practice it through experience. And it's so sad, bro, because I know a lot of people in here, they're just looking for the next golden key. They think there's some strategy out there that'll provide them a 100% hit rate, and they're gonna buy themselves a Lamborghini in 3 weeks. Holy shit, man. Losing is normal. NQ. Let me see, chat. I'm not sure. Yes, it's continued. YM continued. Gold. Look at that reaction off the low. Same with Euro. So this is interesting. I'm really, really eager to see the close on Euro today, bro. Really eager to see it. We've tapped into this area on the right. I'm pretty sure that's actually a liquidity block on the lower time frames, chat. On the hourly, you can see. Yeah, there you go. So we tapped into this area here. And look at that reaction out, chat. Like I told you guys, if you want to rewind and stream, today is very important for me, for Euro at least. Because if we can get a nice reaction away, this could possibly be the low of the week. Okay? Keep that in mind. NQ is chilling right now. Okay, chat. So many red flags right now for this this short idea on NQ. Yo, just watch. I appreciate the advice, bro. I'm going to continue to post what I want to post, my man. Attaboy, Samuel. Samuel says, a good example is last week. I made some wins after that only loss for a couple trades. Didn't affect me because I know what I can do and I have faith in myself. You got to trust. I think another topic we talked about a lot on stream is the long-term, having the long-term vision in check. Can you tell us what are those red flags? Yeah, we just talked about it in the beginning of the stream, but let me clear this chart up. We've spiked PDL already. It doesn't mean, like, look, if you think about it, there's still room for price to come down to this low to the left, right? There's still 710 ticks, almost 200 points. Yes. After spiking out the PDL, automatically shorts are lower probable now. Okay? 4 hour wise, like, look how we're context. God, what am I saying, chat? We spiked up previous low and comes up and respected previous high, right? So now we're starting to like build on the 4 hour time frame. It's a bit like ugly. From a liquidity perspective, and I have to prioritize that always. Yes, it makes sense for price to come a little lower. Okay, but with everything I've just discussed, my confidence is a little bit lower. The probabilities are a little bit lower. Like you could take a short right here if price wants to come up here. That could be a short opportunity. Okay, but with everything I discussed, this would not be an A+ kind of setup. This would not be typically a bigger win. No, there's just too many things that are telling me watch out. Good evening, brother. Marco, how are you today? I'm good. Utkarsh, appreciate you, bro. Thanks for stopping in. Gotcha. Thanks, Marco. No worries. Alima, I think. Alima. Marco, I'm about to take USD CHF shorts. I wish you the best of luck, my friend. I wish you the best of luck. Yes, it's still continuing lower. I mean, this low looks inevitable, chat. I wish the delivery was a little bit better, but it does look like it needs to go. Nice one, Lawrence. Now we've spiked out this low. Not ideal. Thanks, bro. Also, 200 pips up on Euro AUD right now cooking. Euro AUD. How's that looking? I had it on my list for a bit. I'm assuming, are you long? After the lows go? Yes, well done, Matt. Good shit. 450 plus people watching, and we only have 140. Yo, chat, do we only really got 140 likes? I just got a message from the boss. He said, if the likes don't increase, unfortunately, we can't run giveaways. Fuck. This is awkward. Chris says, I don't need a giveaway. I'm here to learn. Yo, Chris, you know what, man? I do like that. I was just baiting, and you didn't fall for it. You smart mother... I'm trolling. Good shit, though. Like, so yeah, but it's on. Jokes aside, chat. Much appreciated if you guys can hit that thumbs up on the stream. It helps us. And it'd be much appreciated. And the most important part about it, the best part about it, it's free. It is free. I like every stream. Yo, Chris, you the GOAT then, bro. You the GOAT, bro. 10:07 right now, chat. I'm interested to see what 10:30 does. If there's going to be opportunity, we'll have to wait and see. I don't know. No. I don't know now. It's either I'm trying to set up some tongue twisters for myself or I'm just brain dead. So stay tuned. We'll have to find out. And there she goes, NQ to the lows. Yeah, man, just no. The only thing I can see, and you know what? This is just one for everybody to see. And I had to go on the 15 second to see it. So like it's not everybody has access to this time frame. Is this. The short would have been right above this high. So in here. After this high was taken. And the reason being, chat, and the only way you can see this is if you have the seconds time frame was we induce sellers and we trap them. Okay. But don't beat yourself up. This is a seconds time frame entry. It's not needed. And it's not clean. So it's okay. But hey, it's worth going back and going over. It's fine. On a heavy losing streak on my fundeds at the moment, so I'm going to take a break to paper trade for the next month to get a grip again. So I'm going to enjoy some ice cube sandwiches. Ice cube sandwiches? Oh, because you're saying you're not going to be making money. That was good, Mads. That was good. I didn't clue in for a sec there. I was behind schedule. ES lower, yeah. So we're hunting that low, chat. This is the low that I was talking about on ES. Now it looks like it's going to get ran relatively soon. Same with NQ. And I'm honestly, we'll keep both lines for now. But I definitely want to see these lows go on NQ. Over here to the left, chat. Yours truly, roughly about 11 a.m. Roughly. But it's fine, chat. Like I said, it's just one to study. But look, you can't even see that on M1. You have to go into, I believe, you can't really even see it on 30 second. You have to go into the 15 second to see that. So you can see liquidity. We induce sellers and we trap them, right? So that would be a refined entry. But again, you can only see that by on the 15 second time frame. So is it needed? Nah. It's all good. What is your time window? If I'm trading futures on New York, it is anywhere in New York. Anywhere in New York. Not the PM session though. Yo, Pyrex, are you AI? I'm looking at your messages right now. Let's go. Time frame. Ice cube sandwiches. ES. NQ. 11 a.m. Liquidity. Futures. Not PM. Bro, you have to be either trolling me or a full-blown robot. I haven't decided yet. Okay. I'm half AI. Marco, how do I share my trading results with your strategy? Bro, what? Just, I don't know. Post in the CF Discord, bro. Okay, bro. Honestly, I don't. He's definitely trolling, chat. He's just trolling. Don't give him the attention. Let's see if I get blown out. Entered NQ short at 28,826. 28? Holy shit. All the way down here? Hey, man. Everybody trades differently. I hope it works out for you. Hope we have another leg to the downside for you. Oh, am I getting sick again? Man, god damn. Legend has it, if you close your eyes and pray, it works out. Oh my God. Oh my God, chat. Oh my God. Yeah, still hasn't taken the lows yet. It's 10:15. Yeah, chat. After the short occurs, I mean, it looks like today's gonna be chalked, but we're about to trade below the weekly low on NQ. Weekly low traded below now. I do want to see price below these lows. That doesn't change though, chat. These lows here. Marco, we love you, man. Yeah, I love you too, Crypto. Appreciate you, bro. Marco, once LB is used, is there any scenario where we can use LB as a second time? Yes, I think I can. Here, let me draw this out for you, and this will make sense for you. So, say we create an LB here, right? Okay, so what happens sometimes is, let's just say we have a target to the lows down here, and price comes up, stabs out liquidity, right? And there's an LB here, and it sells off. Okay, actually, let's say it does this, and then sells off. Okay, we have a target down here at the lows. Technically, we've tapped into this area, right? However, look what we've left on to the left-hand side. And sometimes you can only see this if you go down a time frame. So we've left this internal liquidity point. So price sometimes will do this. See that? So hopefully that makes sense for whoever asked. Anuj. Yo, Malene, my bro. Please, guys. Please. Enough with just spamming the same message over and over and over. Marco, I have a question. Is it okay if if we created liquidity then suddenly formed a liquidity block in the middle? Can you still? Yeah, JP, I'm not sure what that means, bro. Great example. Let's go, Junaid. Can you tell me more about Euro? I don't know what else there is to tell you about Euro. I was just saying this area down here, where we are right now, if we print a low, it could be low of the week. If we don't, honestly, I'd probably see us coming down here. That's why I really want to see what happens. Marco, how did you meet wifey? I met her at a coffee shop, and then I was drinking my coffee and I was working, and then she came up and said hi to me. This is years ago. Well, that brought her back to life. She's silent back here. She's lurking in the back chat. She's lurking. She's keeping an eye on you guys, to be honest with you. She's the one. If you guys get banned for doing stupid shit, hey. No, it's fine. Listen, if you're doing stupid shit, you're going to get banned. And look at that. NQ to the lows that we forecasted, and we didn't take advantage of it. But it's all good, man. It's all good. It's all good in the hood. Read my message, bro. Yo, Tarzan. Yo, Tarzan, are you serious, bro? Chat. Okay. This guy yells at me to read his message. I scroll up, and the message is, "Hello, bro. I am from India." Did you really just yell at me to read your message, and then I scroll up and you say, "Hello, bro. I am from India"? Yo, what's that? Let me look. Hannah came up to Marco at the coffee shop and whispered in his ear, "Gold long," and left. And legend has it, it has been love ever since. It's been in love ever since. Yeah, she came up, she whispered in my ear, she said, "Check gold longs." And then I checked gold longs, I took it, 10K day. Ever since, I've been madly in love. Yeah, chat, listen. You guys, man, you guys kill me. You guys kill me. He wanted to say hi to you. It just makes me laugh. Like, "Hello, Marco, why aren't you reading my messages?" I scroll up. "Hello, sir, I am from India." Oh, it makes me laugh. You guys kill me, chat. You guys kill me, bro. She said gold long right now. Ah, shit. This thing looks like shit. Marco, which team do you support World Cup? Actually, bro, to be honest with you, I don't know. I don't care about World Cup. I'm sorry. You are not reading mine as well. Yo. Streaming is exhausting sometimes. Check Discord chat? Yeah, I got you, Tendra. One sec. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. One second. Can you guys hear this? Wait, chat. Yo, Tendra, is this AI? Wait, chat. I gotta see. Can you guys hear this? Yo, Tendra, what the fuck? Wait. I have to make sure you guys can hear this. 1 second, chat. Let me fix this. Here we go. I think you guys can hear it now. Listen to this, man. Marco from Canada. Late nights in the glow, NASDAQ candles flicker while the cold wind blow. Dow Jones on the screen, Euro USD 2. Charlie Fanatic hoodie, yeah, the whole damn crew. Charlie the dog bark when the session get live. Hannah in the kitchen like you still awake at 5. He laughs, sip coffee, eyes red from the charts. Talking about liquidity before the market starts, yeah. Yo. Chat, what the fuck is going on?
under the desk. East Coast drums hit heavy in the chest. Map out the range, then he wait for the sweep. Smart money lurking while the retail sheep sleep. Lick pool look sweet, they bait in the crowd. Fake breakout candle got them cheering loud. Then the market reverse, bodies dropping in pain. Marco whisper, damn, they got trapped again. Oh, the block clean on the 15-minute chart. Precision on the entry, execution is an art. Liquidity block where the killers are hide. If price tap once, then he riding that ride. Stop.
Yo, what? This is insane. No, this is insane. This No, that is fucking, yo, Tendra W. That is fucking hilarious. That is so funny.
Tight, no emotional shit. Take profit set, cause the system legit. Equity curve rising like a motherfucking stair. While these gamblers blow accounts every week out here. So sweep that liquidity. Take that energy.
Sweep that liquidity, take that energy. Nah, okay. That's enough for today. Yo, Tendra W though. W. That was actually hilarious. Oh my God. No. That was funny as hell. Listen, NQ, I want to see what happens right here, chat. 1 second. That was funny as hell, though. Whew. Where's our signal provider going? No, that was, yo, Tendra, that was a W. That should be the background music every stream. No, that was actually fucking hilarious. Tendra, is there a website to do that on? That was fucking... I didn't expect that, honestly. That was good. Yo, chat. By the way, I mean, listen. Sometimes we can't take the entries just because I'm strict, but look at that precision, chat. Come on, man. Who does it like that? That level is called to a T. We need it on Spotify? Nah, that was fucking hilarious. We better take heavy L's now. Hannah left. That's facts. That's big facts. Gold lower, euro lower, gold lower. Did ES stab the lows? ES stabbed the lows, yes. Still here in spirits? Yeah, guys, listen, watch what you say. She's still here. Bro, sing a song? Oh, hell nah, bro. What do you mean sing a song? It's called Sunyo. Marco, give Sunyo a try. You can even make country music and stuff too. That is hilarious. Okay, I got to keep that in mind. That was funny as fuck though. Holy shit. That was funny as hell. That was good, man. I still think gold is going to sell after reversal up. You probably need to find an LB. Yeah, gold, listen, gold doesn't look ideal. I've been saying that just because of this price action to the left-hand side. Broken, my bro, just give it a post. We'll take a look. Are you taking any trades today? Maybe. We'll have to wait and see, man. I mean, NQ could show signs of a push up now. 4 hour candle. Like, could this be it could be the low of the day as well. But new 4 hour candle, come down, we spike down, take out all these lows. Price could push higher from here. It's definitely possible. Here's a clean internal liquidity point you can target on the way back up. And then of course we have a bunch of highs higher. I do want to see Price action develop a little cleaner. Yes, I look at the CF Discord. Have you ever tried your hand in silver? I have not. I made 3 songs for Marco, different lyrics too. Lots of Hannah and Charlie and Charlie the dog in the lyrics. That's hilarious. That is so funny. No, that. Gotta include Cairo too. For real. We gotta get Cairo in there as well. Don't forget about Cairo. Cairo doesn't make it that many appearances on stream, but that's true. We need Cairo in the next one. Bro, you have the most unique strategy. I don't know if it's the most unique strategy. Okay, next one, W, Tendra. Nah, I appreciate that, though. That was funny as hell. That was funny as hell. Why does Cairo have better waves than me, bro? Yo, that guy gets brushed all day long. Marco, we need a strategy name. We definitely don't need a strategy name, man. No strategy name. I just got tapped into USD CHF. Take a look. You know what, Matt? Just because you always hear showing love, let me see. I don't know. I don't know, bro. I don't love it, so. This is, yeah, we got plenty of liquidity above these highs. That would be a more ideal sell scenario for myself. But hey, listen, you trust yourself. I could be completely wrong and this thing could dump right now. So you need to trust your system. Okay, 1030 is coming in, chat. Marco, if you haven't seen the Marco stream song, remaster song on Discord, you're missing out. No, we literally just listened to that. It was hilarious. It was hilarious, to say the least. Price came back, took out some internal. Chat, if we can get another buildup of early buyers, I'll take this here. Okay, we need to see early buyers step in now. Why 1030? 1030 is just a time I'm always interested in. Stock open around 10 o'clock-ish, in and around 1030. It's just like those hour marks, those half an hour marks. Typically I see entries, opportunities come along these times. Is that a 15-second chart? It is a 15-second chart. Yeah, chat. I was, if you can nail that lower time frame, you can get multiple payouts. What do you mean by that, insurance? I was one winning trade away from a big payout, but I've accumulated some, not a lot of L's, but I've accumulated losses from last week. And now I need like probably one or two more trades and I can request a big payout, but no rush. It happens. Smaller risk, higher rewards. Yeah, but you have to understand that people that are new, especially if they go into these sort of time frames, they are going to get themselves slaughtered up. You have to understand there's a candle closing on my screen every 15 seconds. People are going to think that's more opportunity, which means more trading, which means more risk, and you're more prone to making mistakes. Everything stacks up against you, right? So I don't recommend people, especially if you're new, to be trading this time frame. I'm rarely on it, but I'm just giving you some advice. Marco, what's your biggest payout? I don't have an exact figure. Typically what I do, chat, is I'm just, so I rarely blow funded accounts. And the reason being is because I trade low risk. That enables me to hold on to funded accounts for a longer period of time. Like I have CFD funded accounts, guys, from October of last year. When I just added CFDs back in, when I started trading Forex again late last year and I passed accounts, I still have those same accounts. So I rarely blow funded accounts. It's because I just trade lower risk and I go for smaller payouts. 2, 3, 4, 5% is all I look for. And I just secure a payout onto the next account. Secure a payout, 2, 3, 4, 5%, whatever it is, whatever I'm comfortable with, onto the next account. Do you rotate funded accounts? I rotate funded accounts in CFDs. I copy trade my funded accounts on futures. Like right now, I'm trading $1 million in funding on futures on my copier. I have 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 funded accounts on futures. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, people over leverage most of the time. This reason they blow accounts. Yeah, so like I've identified something for myself, chat, is if I just use lower risk, I never have that trigger of like over trading, over risking, nothing. I just use whatever risk I'm comfortable with. I play within my parameters, my comfortabilities, my strengths. And that's enabled me to make payouts consistently for a while. In the past, I've been guilty of going for bigger payouts, trying to beat my last one, and I just spiral out of control and I just lose track of what's actually important, and that's just the quality of trading. Because now I start focusing on numbers and shit. This is not for me. I found what works for me, and I've just stayed stuck to that. With Apex, you have to pass within a month now. It makes me rush. Yeah, Jason, my best advice for you guys trading Apex is bump your risk up a bit. Bump your risk up a bit. Because yes, you have a time limit to pass, but if you just up your risk, sometimes that takes you 2 trades, right? The accounts are very cheap at Apex as well, guys, so. How much you risk per trade on challenge CFD? I'm typically risking heavier on challenges. I haven't, so if I'm trading a challenge on CFD, let's just say a 100K account, I'm probably risking like 2.5, maybe even 3%. Because you got to make 10%. Yeah, there you go, Sahir. Well done. Do you still have those 11 Apex accounts, Marco? Yes, Tendra. Trading them. Not 11, though. I have 6. An unfortunate sequence of events, or unfortunate situation, was I wasn't aware of the inactivity rule, and it's my own fault. It's on the rules, and I should have been aware of it. I lost 5 of those 100K accounts due to the inactivity rule. But hey, I have 6 of them still, and it's my own fault. I should have been aware of that rule. Broken. Why do I have to share it on stream? It's a little bit odd. It's a little bit odd. That's a bummer, yeah, but it's all good. I'm trading $1 million right now on my fundeds here. I can show you guys. I just want to make sure I'm not leaking anything here. Account info and stuff, I don't know. No, I'm not. Here you go. Oops. There you go. So there's 10 100K accounts. 4 Lucid, 6 Apex. What to use to copy trade? I use a platform called TradeSyncer. 2% a month on $1 million funded is 20K a month. Wow, yep, 100%. I've always told you guys, like, more capital is the way to go. If you want to increase those gains, more capital is the best way to go. Because you can still use lower, like sometimes guys, I'm risking like $100, $200 per account. It's nothing. It's a 100K account. That's 0.1, 0.2% of the account size. So if it loses, it's literally nothing. And when I do have winners and I do accumulate payouts, it's a lot because there's more accounts, right? Times 10 accounts. So yeah, if I have, let's just say I have $1,000 payout, but across 10 accounts, now you're looking at a 5-figure payout, right? You only trade funded accounts. As of right now, chat, and I talked about this last week, I have 0 challenges on the go. I have 400,000 on CFD, and I have 1 million on futures. So 1.4 million right now, total. Marco, do you recommend prop firms? Of course, I always recommend prop firms. Possibility in gold? No. No possibility on gold for myself. I don't like gold. Euro's still kind of screwing around at the low. NQ, I wanted to see price maybe go long. It's unfortunate the delivery of price action we've had right now on NQ. I mean, we can all agree it looks hideous right now. Yeah. Like even open this up on a 5-second chart, still looks bad. Zach wants to eat and he is asking $5 from Uncle Marco. Tell Zach the tax man came after me and I no longer have any money. Cheers. Does FTMO allow risking more than 2%? Tendra, on a funded or on a funded or on a challenge? IRS? No, in Canada it's called the CRA. The CRA, and they are not nice, man. You have 3K drawdown on each account, so it's 30K. There you go. Correct. Mark, what kind of water are you drinking? Jason, this is San Benedito. Bendito? I don't even know. I might be brain dead. It's just sparkling water. I'm a big sparkling water guy. It's like the most refreshing drink for me. Yes, it's probably chopping around a bit. Yeah, it is. Sparkling? Hell nah. You're still a kid then. So it's okay to risk more than 2% in a challenge? Yeah. I mean, I have. I'm not banned. I'm okay. BTC local bottom, you think? It's always hard for me to call a bottom in a bearish market. Maybe it could respect this area. Ideally, I want to see BTC up here, chat, and maybe you can see another leg to the downside. I ain't ever trying to grow up if that means you liking sparkling water. Abu, what do you drink? Do you drink soda? Pop? Makes your mouth bug out? YM? What's up on YM? Is intraday swing trades allowed in future prop firms? No, sir. I don't know any firms that allow it. At least you have to for the most part. Most firms, you have to close trades out. You have to close trades out by the end of the day. Did we print the low of the day in gold? I don't like gold. I don't know. I don't know, man. I wouldn't be surprised if we have another leg to the downside on NQ as well. This is 30-minute low down here. What is your favorite pair this week? I don't have anything super ideal right now, anything super clean right now. So nothing as of right now. Ah, Chad, I feel a little bit cold and shit, man. Oh, how is it I get sick so much? I don't get it. If I'm getting sick. Do you think it's sickness or allergies? Definitely sickness, because I have like a little headache. I'm cold. I know what my allergies feel like. And right now it's not allergy season. You guys will see. In September, August, September, it's bad. My face gets fucking swollen. It's bad. Tarzan, you know what, my bro? I'm just, I put you in a timeout before, but now I have to time you out. Again, use TradeZella, of course. I always recommend TradeZella to everybody. If not, go for a hard run. You will feel worse, but it will be worth it. Honestly, Jan, I think it's going to feel good to go for a run because it's hot outside. I'll probably sweat what I need to sweat out. And then maybe I'll just have a little bit of a rest afterwards. But yeah, I definitely want to go for a run and see how I feel afterwards. Yeah. Marco, can you make Training the Eyes video weekly at least 2 times? You want me to make 2 YouTube videos per week just for you? No problem, bro. I got you. Yes, Lawrence. Bye, Marco. I'm running late. No problem, Nagendra. Nagendra. Yeah, I think I pronounced that right. I kind of killed that. I know you can't quit pasta, Marco, but I have to say it. No grain, no pain. No grain, no pain? Wait, why? I'm confused. Why? Tell me. You know what? Maybe the freaking colds are a sign to move to a warmer place. To be fair, right now it's pretty warm outside. Yeah, there you go, Atori. You know which one I'm drinking. Hold up, chat. I want to see what happens here on NQ. I'm not convinced yet. I really don't like how we've left this low down here still. I think it's possible we get a spike down. That would make this setup more ideal for me. But let's see. YM is not it for me right now. Oh, I see what you're working. I see what you're saying. I get all sorts of aches and health issues when I start binging on pizza and pasta. Interesting. So carbs? Marco, have you ever done a 42K? I have not. I never cared to do a marathon. I will eventually. Marco, YM longs and plays? No, I don't like YM longs. Ugh, why does the delivery have to be like this on NQ right now for us? Why? What's ES saying? ES spiked the low once more. So 30 minutes, yeah, 30-minute low's gone on ES. Now that's ideal to see. Right, so look at this. See the difference? Chat, what color do we need, by the way, behind me? I've always been trying to figure out what color looks the best in the back. So right, wait, we got blue right here. Here's red. Lalo. This is Lalo. Green. Green vibe is kind of cool. This is like a teal, a turquoise. Pink? Oh, hell nah, bro. Pink's for wifey. Wifey's not here right now. I think I just always have to go with good old blue, chat. Red is sick. Should we leave it red, chat? Like this? Lelo. Kim. Lelo. Black? Huh? Orange, red, yellow, or blue. Let's see yellow once more. Yeah, you know what, chat? We'll keep it red for now. I see lots of reds. We'll keep it red for now. Connect the light to the PNL. That's funny. If we're green, we'll put the. You know what, chat? We'll start doing that. I like that idea. Dan, yo, Dan, you smart man. From now on, yeah, chat. Right now, since we're flat, what do we do if we're flat? But if we're red on the day, we got to go red. If we're green on the day, we go green. If we're flat, what do we do? I think we just go like, fucking like this. It's a vibe. Yellow for flat? Fuck it, we'll go yellow. We'll go yellow. This is like an orange. Let me go see if I can get more yellow here. Flat equals blue? We'll keep a yellow for now, chat. I do like blue though. Chat, we are running. It is 11 a.m. right now, but man, I want to see what NQ does. Try again, Lelo. Yo, blueprint. You tell me what you're waiting on. Okay, I'm flipping the script. You tell me what you're waiting for. Okay? I prefer blue. I do like blue more as well. We'll keep it the yellow for a bit. Are you using SMT as Confluence? I do not use SMT, chat. I do not use SMT. Honestly, chat, if this thing goes long, this is what I have my target as. 29,300. 29K 300. Okay, listen. I don't know how we are. Mods, how are we running the giveaways now? I know we changed some things up. So mods, how are we running the giveaways now? Help me out here, mods. What do I do? Or chat. Maybe chat knows. Discord. Okay, what do I do? Direct me. Mods, tell me what to do. It's in the Discord. Okay, so can we start a giveaway, mods? Mods, can we start a giveaway in the Discord? It started? Okay, so something's wrong because I don't see it. I'm under feed and giveaways. I gotta call the boss because I don't see it. Oh, there it is. It just got posted now. I was getting trolled, chat. I was getting trolled. Okay, chat, listen. Join today's giveaway. Giveaway in CF Discord. I put the directions in there too, chat. So look. Okay, so join the Discord, go to feed, go to giveaways, and we are going to be running the giveaway there. Okay, chat? Get in there. You spammer, Marco. Sorry. It ends at 11:03 a.m. So chat, you have 3 minutes. You have 3 minutes. Exclamation mark Discord in the chat if you want to join. I'll share my screen, and we'll watch the giveaway happen together. Don't worry, I got you. Exclamation mark Discord, and you're gonna. That's how you join the Discord. Oh, and look, you guys are typing it. No, that's good. Everybody's spamming exclamation mark Discord because you guys don't listen. Oh, man. Bro. Again, chat, if you want to join, listen to me. If you want to join the giveaway today, the giveaway is happening in the Chart Fanatics Discord. Okay? Very simple. The giveaway is happening in the Chart Fanatics Discord. All right, Anth, can you? I'm gonna pull my screen over here. I'll just move this. Now you guys can see. Okay, Anth, can you end the giveaway? And we're gonna see who we got winners today. So we have Apex, Alpha Capital, and 12 months with TradeZella. Okay, guys. If you can't see, we ended it anyways. If you can't see it for next time, guys, look at the left-hand side, channels and roles. Okay. The winners for today's giveaway is James Patel, GGFX, and Yo Bro. James Patel, GGFX, and Yo Bro. Okay, so James, you won yourself Apex. GG, you won yourself Alpha Capital. And Yo Bro won 12 months of TradeZella. All right. Awesome. Let's go. W's. Was I kicked out of the Chart Fanatics? Did something change? No, sir. Nothing changed. The link is in the description of this channel, guys. It's not hard. Join the Discord server and you'll be a part of the giveaways. All right, W's in chat. Good stuff. Okay, chat. I'm off. I love you guys. I'm going to go and try and get a run in right now. I feel like shit, but hey, man, you got to get it in when you don't feel well sometimes. Listen, I appreciate you guys for hanging out today. Slow day. Cheers, yo, Tom. I didn't see you in chat today. I see you now. I appreciate every single one of you. Thanks so much. Love you guys. I will talk to you guys soon. All right. I hope you guys have a good rest of your week. All the best. Yeah, sorry, Tendra. I should have mentioned that. But yeah, I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your week. Love you guys. Take it easy. We'll talk soon. Ciao.